Why did Orochimaru decide to create his own village? Basically, he didn't create a traditional village like all the others. What he actually built was a network of secret laboratories and hideouts scattered throughout the land of sound, each one used for bizarre and even macabre experiments. He called this village Otogakure. Publicly, he claimed it was a safe haven for talented ninjas who didn't fit into the system, but behind the scenes, it was just a front for his human experiments. A good example of this is that the sound team was sent to the Chunin exams not only to attack Sasuke, but also to test the potential of the boy whom Orochimaru had just marked with the curse mark. In addition, he also manipulated the Sand Village to help him invade Konoha, and years later after the war, Otogakure gradually began to become a real village. Mitsuki, for example, entered the Konoha Academy as a sign of peace, and Otogakure began an empire of scientific laboratories, but now without any kind of human experimentation.